So I'm going to have a quick try and pronunciate tomorrow's ride. It's the Fietselfstedentocht. Something like that. And I've seen plenty of riders going around today, maybe in preparation for tomorrow, I don't know. But yeah. Look at me. No lycra in sight, not even a helmet. This is the Netherlands, why wear a helmet? Ooh. It's like being in Lincolnshire at the moment. Nice quiet roads. Plenty of cyclists around here as well. However, the cycling infrastructure is completely different over here. In that there is one. Which is really sad. So I'm on my way to Bolsward now. It's not far away from where I am. And then Wokum. I believe that's the next place afterwards. I don't get too far ahead of myself though, because typical Richard fashion, I got carried away with the route mapping. So it's 70k today, so 3.5 hours on the bike, maybe more. Stop for lunch somewhere. Time has no meaning today. Tell you what though, these shorts aren't quite as comfortable as wearing lycra. Take it easy, take it easy. It's beautiful weather though now. I'm going to enjoy the most of today. Anyway, 6k to go, 6 kilometres to go. Here we are, arriving at the host city. Hello, keep going, keep going.
Allebei op dezelfde hoogte.
Feels completely liberating now, not having to wear lycra, just wearing any old clothes really, like so many people are. The wind in my hair, the sun in my eyes. I can get used to this. I really could get used to this. Well, I've just been following a couple young athletes. One girl must be about 13 or 14, at a guess. And they're completing the entire route of the Fietselfstedentocht. It's just where you push yourself off with your foot, like a what's the word? It just won't come to me. But they're doing this. They started at midnight. And it's nearly 12 o'clock now, so they've been going at least 12 hours, finishing at 8 o'clock this evening. Can't be going very fast, but they're doing the entire route, and they've got like a broom wagon following them behind with food and drink. So yeah. What is this? Not quite sure what it's meant to be. Very artistic though. Not quite Banksy. Just coming into a sneak now. I think I might find somewhere to eat actually, because it's lunchtime. No, not in the mood for garage forecourts today. I'm on holiday, let's have somewhere nice to eat. Well, I just left Sneak and I enjoyed some Flemish fries, Warmbury, nice soup, and an American burger. It's all really lovely, so it's a really nice meal, nice portion sizes. I know I'm heading over to Woking, and I'm wearing my wrist mount on my opposite arm to what I'm usually used to, so it feels a little bit weird. But look at this architecture. How peaceful is this? Oh. Beautiful country. So pleasant, so quiet. There's somebody fishing down the river. I nearly shouted in my best English accent, "Catch anything?" So yeah, I got back to the hotel and decided I was gonna go to the supermarket and get some beers. So what's the best way to go to the supermarket? On your bike. So I did that. Unfortunately, on the way back, my cleats broke. But lucky for me, I bought a spare pair because I knew they was on the way out, so I've changed those. So come out for a short ride again, and we'll have some to eat for tea as well. So I'm going to do that. Not sure where I'm stopping. I've mapped a route out, thinking it's probably a little bit too long though, because I need to get an early night, long day on saddle yet again. So I really need to recoup, don't I, Richard? Well, I'm on my way back to Mackham now, and I think there's some restaurants in another place. I can't remember the name of it from this morning. I'm going to head there. Against the banks of the river there was a restaurant. I'm sure there was other restaurants around there as well, so I'm going to head there now. And I'll see you there in a minute.
Gone for the mixed grill. Looks good.
So yes, I guess I better round up this video and say that was day 2 of my holiday in the Netherlands, exploring here around Bolsward, Sneek, Walkum, and indeed Mackham itself. So big day tomorrow. It's the start of the Fietselfstedentocht. So I shall see you bright and early in the morning. So come and join me in the next video. See you later. Bye bye.